Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you Sunbiz LLC Renewal tutorial, how to renew LLC on Sunbiz. So let's get started. So first of all, go into google.com and from here search for Sunbiz File Renewal. Once you're here, you would have this search result, online annual report filing. You want to click on that. And from here, you would need your document number. So to get your document number, if you don't know your document number, is you need to go into sunbiz.org, sunbiz.org, and then you would be prompted right here. So from here, you want to click on search records. And then from here, you can search by name, registered agent, and many more, except for the document number right here, since you don't know this. So let's just go for name. And from here, let's go and put the name of our company. So let's just say innovative, just for an example. And then from here, what you want to do is you can already see the document number list right here, and you can already see it right here. So just find your corporate name here and copy the document number. So for example, this will be my document number, just for an example. I'm going to copy that and then paste it here into the document number right here. And paste. And then from here, I'm just going to erase this and click on submit. And right here, and as you can see right here, it says I have already filed an annual report this year. So if you already have this notice right here, then you don't need to do this anymore. But if not, then you can click on continue. And then from here, you can see your information right here. And then when you scroll all the way down, you can see if you want a certificate of status. So you can go for yes if you want that, and no if not. And take note that it would cost $8.75. And then once you're done with that, then now you can click on move on to final review. You can click on that. And then from here, you make sure that everything is correct right here. Make sure nothing is wrong. Once you're done, you would need to go into the payment section. But as you can see, I wouldn't be able to go forward because I have already paid for this, but all that's left basically after final review is the payment, and after that you should be able to renew your LLC just like that. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.